Hello, I am Neil Jain from QCfinance.in. I'll teach how to install R and the packages. Now, for installing R, here we are having the steps. First, we have to download the R, then install it on your system, then install the R tools, R packages, and the update packages. We will one by one see all the steps in brief. Now, here are the links for the installation. For installing R, you can search on the Google for R or Crane R. Okay, either you can go on these links directly, that is rproject.org or crane.rprojects.org. For frequently asked questions, you can go on the link crane.rprojects.org oblique FAQs, and for the R2's download, you can go on the crane.rprojects bin Windows and R2's. These are the links for the downloading. We will go through every link, each and every link, and see how we can download from these links. Now, coming towards packages, there are approximately 5000 packages in R, so we do not need to install every package. And if we install all the packages, it will take approx 4 GB memory. Okay, so the packages that are needed to install are mainly R Commander, Ratel, Reducer, and Extractor, and many more. I will tell you how to install the packages. Now coming towards the R2s. R2s is only one, and you can install the latest version of it, that is 3.0.1, which is 64-bit version. Now here is a step-by-step procedure how to download R. Okay, first of all, you have to go to the link crane.rprojects.org. In this link, you will see three options: for Windows, for Mac, for Unix. From there, you have to choose. If you are having Windows, you use R for Windows. Okay, after clicking on this, you will see a base version. This is mainly for the new users. Okay, click on it and install and download it. After downloading it, install it on your computer and then download the R tools from this link. Now, once you're done with installing R and R tools, you have to install the packages for further use of R software. For installing the packages, here are the steps. Okay, you have to go to the R software that you installed on your computer. In that R software, R console window will appear and a tab in which you will see the packages option. Okay, go to that option. After that, go on the set crane mirror option. Okay, this is to be set once every session. Okay, this is necessary to set because it redirects us to a closer position of our computer. Okay, from the network. Now to set the crane mirror, choose the option zero cloud. Okay, zero cloud will redirect you to the closer position of your computer. And every session means every time when you open your R software, you have to set crane mirror, but only once. Okay, after that, go on the packages and then go on the install packages option. Okay, and select any package you want. For example, if you want to install the Ratel package, select it. Okay, and once it is installed, then type library Ratel in the R console window. Okay, and then type Ratel and enter. It will open the new window of Ratel. Now let's see how to work on this. Okay, so let's see how to download the app. First of all, go on the link crane.rprojects.org. I have typed it in the URL. It will redirect me to this website. In this, I am having three options: download R for Linux, for Macs, or for Windows. If you have Windows, then click on download R for Windows. See, now this will redirect you to three versions: base, contrib, and R tools. Okay, the base version is mainly used for the users who are new to R. Okay, so first you have to download this version, and after that you have to download R tools. Now, other method can be you can go to the rprojects.org link also. There you will get a option download R. Okay, click on it and download it and set the crane mirror from here also, or you can set it after installing it. Okay, and if you have any further FAQs for the questions how about this, you can go on the link Crane R Projects FAQs. Okay. Now, for downloading the R tools, you will go on the URL craneprojects.org, bin, Windows and R tools, and you will be redirected to this window, building R for Windows. Here you will see a list of the R tools. The latest version you can download from here, R tools 31.exe, and you can see the compatibility also here according to your choice. Now, you have downloaded the R and then install it on your system. After installing R and R tools, you have to install R packages. Now see how to install it. Open the R software you have installed. Okay, it will look like this. A R console window will appear and you will get the options here: File, Edit, View, Miss, Packages, Windows and Help. First of all, go on the Packages option. Here, set the crane mirror. Okay. See, here I will set 0 cloud and OK. Okay, and here it will come that I have set the crane mirror. Okay, now once when you set the crane mirror, then go on the packages, select install packages. Here a list of packages. Here a list of packages will be displayed. From this you have to select any package and install it. For example, if I want to select Rattle, if I want to install Rattle package, I select Rattle and then OK. And some more packages such as R Commander, its name is RCMDR, and its plugin DOE, EPEC and KMGG-Plot2. I also installed them. Okay. Now let's see how to work on them. See here, after installation you will get result as the packages are successfully installed. Okay. After successful installation, write library R Commander and enter. So after writing library RCMDR R Commander, it will load the plugins and other data, and after that it will open a window of R Commander. See here, it has opened R Commander window. In this, without any coding, you can use the graphics and work on R. So for example, here go on the data in packages, read data set from package, and a window will come from this, and from which you can go further and create whatever. And many more things are here. Models, graphs. In this you can go on the 3D graph, save graph to a file, data, edit file. Okay, there are many more options to work on it. Okay, so in this way we have learned how to download the R from the URL crane or R projects, how to install it, how to download the R tools, R packages, and how to run them. Okay, so hope the session was good, and good day from Nehal Jain at the Finance.